In this video, I'll guide you through how you can fix hearing yourself in headset in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then please consider subscribing and like this video. To fix hearing yourself in headset in Windows 11, you need to go through a few steps. Let's start with the first one. At first, you click on the Windows key and search for Sound Settings. After open Sound Settings, you need to scroll down and tap on More Sound Settings. Then this can powerfully appear on your screen. Now tap on Recording tab and find your microphone and double click on it. Now click on Listen tab and make sure you uncheck mark on Listen to this device and hit Apply, then OK. If this method doesn't work for you, then jump into the next step. Again, click on the Windows key and search for Sound Settings. From this page, you need to make sure your speaker is selected from the Output tab and you set the right microphone for your Input tab. Now close this window. If this method doesn't work for you, then go to the next method. Again, click on the Windows key and search for Device Manager. Now you need to expand Sound, Video and Game Controller. Then you will see a microphone on this list. Now select a microphone and right click on it. Now tap on Properties. Now tap on Driver and then Update Driver. Now you have two options. You can search for driver automatically or you can pick a driver from your computer. Let's go to the second option and tap on Let me pick from a list of my available driver on my computer and choose one of them and click on Next button. If this one doesn't work for you, then go to the second option and again click on Next button and install the driver. I hope this will must work for you. By following all these three methods, you can easily fix hearing yourself in headset in Windows 11.